Hey guys, this video is meant for blind people only because it is on how to install a text-to-speech engine. I can't really record the screen of my device. Unfortunately, I can't find a good screen recording app that's accessibility enabledness. So, sit right there, okay? So today, what we're going to be doing is installing the Eloquence text-to-speech engine for Android, or on the Braille Note Touch, one of the two, it doesn't matter. So right now I'm using Vocalizer, which is fine. I love Vocalizer, it's great. But I want to install Eloquence. So you might be like, Thunderbolt, I want to install Eloquence, not Vocalizer. So what we want to do is we want to go to Math Editor, Key Math, Internet, Chrome. And this is completely for free. So this doesn't cost anything. So you don't have to go to the Play Store. So we want to go to Internet. Chrome. Search this site. /Chrome on your Android device. It'll be Chrome. Decrease text size. Restore default text. Increase text size. So we want to go to a website called blindhelp.net. So in this address field, just type blindhelp.net. I'm already there, so I don't need to do that. Decrease text size. Search this site. Edit box. Search. So we want to search this site, and we just want to type TTS, and then click enter. 5%. 70%. Or go, or whatever it is on your Android device. So then we want to scroll down. Just keep clicking the next button. You don't need to deal with any of this increase text size, any of that stuff. Just scroll through all this stuff that isn't anything. So search results. This is where you have to pay more attention now. Auto TTS V5 2 1. We don't want auto TTS. In different languages and switching text to speech. TTS. Admin. Comma link. View. December 26, 2019. 16. eSpeak TTS engine for Android by Red Sock. We don't want eSpeak. Supporting all 70. Admin. May 5th, 2018. 1442. Eloquence TTS for all operating systems. That's what we want. Eloquence TTS for all operating systems. So if you click that. Eloquence TTS for all operating systems. Just gonna load here. There you go. Skip to search. The Blind Help Project. Envisioning a bride. Search for. Search. So we want to scroll through all this crap again. Increase text. Site. Main menu. Home. Sub. Blog. Islamic. Tutorial. QB. Audio. Programming. Eloquence. App on Wednesday. July 7th. Apple Oscars. Category. Software for vision. Text to speech. Operating system. Google Android. Linux. Common link. Microsoft Windows. So we want to, when we get to operating system, we want to click Google Android. 70%. Just like that. 100%. Good evening. Keep scrolling. Skip to search. Again. Blind Help. Envisioning. Search for. Search. Search this. Decrease text. Restore. Increase text. Sign in. Main menu. Home. Software. Blog. Islam. Tutorial. QB. Audio store. Programming. Google. Publish. Other. Amazon. Last modified. Saturday. Jump. Category. Social. Operating. Google Android. All I see the world. Comma hiding to link. Other. Admin. Last modified. Saturday. March 3rd. Category. Lifestyle. Software for visual. Operating system. Google Android. Hold on. Saturday. We didn't do that right. Comma link. View user profile. Top. Google Android Blind Help Project. Comma web view. Tuesday. April 7th. Laura. One open tab. Tap to download page. Button. Bookmark this. Blind Help. Your connection. Refresh page. Go forward. Go back. Button. Progress bar. 80%. Alright, so I was wrong about that, guys. Don't click that. Don't click on that. Google Android. Don't click that. Main menu. Home. Software. Islamic. QB. Audio. Pro. Eloquence. Submitted by Wednesday. Category. Software for text to speech. Operating. Google. Linux. Microsoft Windows. Facebook. Tweet button. So just skip through this stuff. Eloquence text. Eloquence text. Dot. Screen readers and applications for blind people. Eloquence TTS. Just scroll through that. GPS software like Google Maps. Dot. Ebook readers like Playbooks. Dot. Translators like Google Translate. Just scroll. Dot. And many more. The main features of Eloquence TTS are. Dot. Just scroll through all this stuff. Once the application, get the download Eloquence added for NVDA. Get the download links at the end of this post. This add-on Eloquence for SAPI. This is a SAPI 5 version. Dot. Screen readers like NVDA. Dot. Application for. Dot. Ebook Daisy readers. Dot. Alright, so we just want to scroll through. Note. This is not the Fox and text. Is world most popular notes. Note 1. The Eloquence version. Download. Comma heading. Download Eloquence V1. 3. For unofficial. Android 5 and Dopa. 7.60 MB. Comma link. Download Eloquence V1. 3. 3 official. For Android 5 and Dopa. 7.91 MB. Comma link. Download Eloquence V1. 1. 8. For Android 5 and Dopa. 7.04 MB.
For the latest version.
Download Eloquence V1. 3. For unofficial. Android 5 and Dopa. 7. Download. Download Eloquence V1. 3. For unofficial. Android 5 and Dopa. Download Eloquence V1. 3. 3 official. For Android 5 and Dopa. Download Eloquence V1. 1. 8. For Android 5 and Dopa. 7.6. Download Eloquence V1. 3. For unofficial. Android 5 and Dopa. 7. Download Eloquence V1. 3. 3 official. For Android 5. Download Eloquence V1.
1, 3, 4 official.
Progress bar.
That's the newest version, so we want to do that.
Download file 7.61 megabytes. Drop down list. Don't show again. Cancel button. Download button.
It's going to say download file, blah, 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 megabytes or whatever. Just click download.
Chrome. Download Eloquence V1. 3. For unofficial. Android 5 and Dopa. 7.60 MB. Comma link.
So it's just going to install there. So it's going to...
Download Eloquence V1. Download Eloquence IPO.
Alright, so it's all downloaded. So now what we want to do is we want to get out of here. We want to go to all applications on the touch.
Files.
And files. If you don't see files, you need to enable developer options. So if you don't see files, you need to go and click the build number. I think it's
7 times, it'll say you are blah 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 steps away from being a developer, and you got to do that until it says you're a developer.
Ethan Jones, Unit 5 EM, Blind Help.net vocalizer voices V3, 4, 3 APK, 9.86 megabytes, 4:39
if we
PM.
go,
Blind Help.net eloquence TTS, V1, 3.4, unofficial APK.
sorry, that was just my friend's document, by the way. That was like the Ethan Jones thing. That was my
Blind
friend's document.
Help.net eloquence TTS, V1, 3.4, unofficial APK, 7.98
So
megabytes.
there we go. Blindhelp.net, eloquence TTS, blah 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 blah. Just click it.
Package installer, eloquence
It says
TTS.
package
Do you
installer.
want to install this app? Cancel button. Install button.
Install. We want to install it.
Package installer, eloquence TTS.
So it's going to
Package installer, eloquence TTS. App installed. Done button.
app installed. We want to click done.
Downloads. Blind Help.net eloquence
Alright,
TTS,
so we want to
V1,
click
my menu.
out back to the main menu or your app drawer, whatever you want to call it. So now we want to go to options
Options
on
menu.
the touch.
Configure language profiles.
For Android, for regular Android users, what you want to do is go to settings, go to accessibility, go to text-to-speech output. But for this, we're going to actually have a new profile created called eloquence TTS, which I've already
Select
done.
language profile. Configure language profiles.
So we want to go to configure language profiles.
Select language profile to configure. Default TTS. Eloquence TTS. Google
And the
TTS.
reason we want to do
Eloquence
this is because we don't want our
Configure language
voice to
profile.
disappear
Language profile name.
while it
Text-to-speech
loads.
engine.
So,
Braille. Voice English.
if we go to
Text-to-speech engine.
text-to-speech engine here,
Text-to-speech engine. Braille touch account. Eloquence. Google text-to-speech
wanna
engine.
click
Eloquence TTS.
ETI eloquence TTS.
Configure language profile. Text-to-speech engine. Eloquence TTS.
Boom. Okay, click out.
Select language profile.
Click
Configure.
out.
Options menu. Configure language profiles. My menu. Braille note.
So we go to language
Select language profile.
profile,
Default TTS.
which is enter with L. So we want to go to
Eloquence TTS.
eloquence TTS.
Using Braille Notepad. PBRF.
All right, and then another recommendation I have for you is go to all applications.
Main menu all apps. Alzup. Satellite.
We want to go to, oops,
Easy Voice Recorder. Easy Reader Plus. And Puzzle. ETI Eloquence TTS.
ETI
Modify.
eloquence
Action caution.
TTS.
Did not allow. Button. Bottom. Allow ETI Eloquence TTS to access photos. Media top.
Just
Allow. Button.
allow that.
Bottom. Allow.
That's got to keep the
ETI
voice installed
Eloquence
somehow.
TTS settings. General advanced. User did reset. Click about and help. Bottom. Click to man advanced. Click to manage. Language general. Click to manage advanced. General. Click to manage. Emoticons. Punctuation. Etc. Advanced. Click to manage. Language. Sampling rate.
So we
Etc.
want to go to advanced.
Force language. Disable sampling rate. Audio optimization.
Sampling rate.
Sampling rate. Cancel. Sampling 11 kilo 16. Cancel. Button
16
kilo.
kilobits.
Sampling rate. Audio optimization.
See, it'll get much clearer now.
Braille note louder.
And just make sure the volume's up a little higher
Braille drum
because
softer.
Eloquence is kind of quiet. That is how you install the Eloquence TTS engine for Android. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video. The next video should be about how to install Vocalizer TTS for Android.